Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2019 Scout 275 LXF. This boat is equipped with the optional Aristo blue hull color with the full hull color upgrade with the red boot stripe to match the white engines from Yamaha with the red graphics and accents. These are digital 200 XCAs from Yamaha. We've got swim platforms to both sides with an integrated telescoping swim ladder, a fold down wave gate just forward of the splash well, this is the Heritage Color Ultra Vinyl from Scout, incredibly soft and durable. We have live wells to both the port and starboard side, full wraparound bolsters, which give you great support and comfort when fishing, including when you're fishing off the aft end of the boat. You've got a nice bolster here, which can be converted into a fold down stern seat. This is the upgraded leaning post configuration from Scout for the 275. You've got a freshwater sprayer with a sink, 2 cup holders and 4 rod holders, a cutting board with a finished out and drained storage area beneath, another cutting board surface for the port side, pull out storage drawers, fish boxes to both the port and starboard side, along with rod holders beneath the gunnels on both sides. Got recessed cleats and rod holders in the deck that are plumbed and drained. At the helm, we've got adjustable armrests with adjustable thigh rise bolsters as well, so the driver can sit while the passenger leans or vice versa. Got a nice subwoofer from JL Audio, in addition to the upgraded speakers. More storage here beneath the helm seat. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, digital start and stops for the Yamaha motors, trim tabs with LED indicators. This dash is a powered dash that will automatically recess and expose your electronics, but it also keeps them protected when the boat's not in use. Got aircraft style toggle switches that illuminate at night for safety, both at the dash and above the windshield. Got LED lighting above the console, 2 speakers and 2 grab handles on the hardtop, aft LED lighting, spreader lights, 5 rocket launchers, power source for your battery charger, a lot of space in the console, a lot of storage. There is a head on board. Really comfortable seating with lots of lounge space in the bow. All the cushions are currently stowed away. This is all non-skid material, so it's great for fishing if you want to use this as a fishing platform. Finished out storage areas that are plumbed and drained. More storage in the deck. The backrests do raise and lower. Got a nice seat in front of the console with an integrated finished out cooler or storage area that's drained. This boat is equipped with an anchor windlass with foot pedals where you can operate it from the bow. in addition to access to your anchor line. We do have a teak picnic table that mounts in the bow for any alfresco dining. Recessed cleats at the bow and at midship. Additional speakers built into the hardtop and another forward spreader light. Nav lights built into the hardtop. And we also have a freshwater washdown in addition to a raw water washdown at the transom. That's a walkthrough of our 2019 275 LXF from Scout. Absolutely beautiful boat, great running boat for the Charleston waters with plenty of seaworthiness for offshore use. Visit us at MarineMax.com and give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, this is MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and I'm Carl Anderson. Thank you very much.